In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make your Wix website mobile friendly. Now, there's a few ground rules that I want to explain to you before I show you what you can do. Now, when you design your website, typically you will probably do it on your desktop version. So for example, currently I am on my laptop, and as you can see, I am using the desktop mode of the website. So any changes that I make to my website, they will also reflect in the mobile version of the website, which I'm going to show you in just a second. So for example, if I change the background image of the background here, that will also reflect in a mobile version. Now, bear in mind that this doesn't always work the other way around. So for example, if you make any changes to your mobile version of the website, that doesn't mean that it's automatically going to reflect on your desktop version. So the desktop version of your website on Wix is kind of like the foundation of it. And then if you want to make any additional changes to your mobile version, that's where you're going to have to go and do that. So in order to make any changes to your mobile version, simply click on this mobile right here. As you can see, it's right there. And then that will automatically switch us over to the mobile version of our website. Now, when it comes to making your website mobile friendly, Wix kind of already takes care of that. Now, in terms of like just visually, as you can see, everything is pretty much put in place, and everything, like the entire pages, will be into the frame of the mobile device that the user is using to access your website. So you don't have to worry about coding anything, because Wix is already taking care of that. Now, one thing that I do want to mention is that when you make changes to your Wix website through the desktop version, that doesn't mean that they will automatically fall into place on your mobile version. So what you need to do sometimes maybe is to like realign everything so it looks a little bit nicer. So for example, this text is a little bit too small for mobile, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. As you can see, also the image here of the background has kind of like eaten away the sandwich, which is a sandwich because this is a restaurant website. If I just switch over to desktop, you can see the sandwich is right here, and it looks really good for the website. But when you go mobile, it's not there. So well, it is, but really like a tiny little bit of it. So you will need to kind of make some small tweaks to make your website more mobile friendly in that sense, in terms of like aesthetics. But when it comes to actual responsiveness, you don't need to touch anything because your website will work just fine. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make your Wix website mobile friendly. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.